What's going on? So I'm back with another RC truck video, and I'm kind of starting to love and hate these things because I've done some upgrades now, and it seems like every time you upgrade something you kind of cause a weaker link, but it's all part of the hobby, I guess. So right here I'm showing that I've replaced the transmission in my motor to a lower crawler gear, and I actually ended up having to replace my servo because my stock one decided to crap out. I was letting some coworkers try it and it ended up crapping out at work, so this is what it was doing. So the rims I went with were the Endura 1-inch brass beadlocks, and then I got the Traxxis low range transmission. And then the servo that I ended up going with was Racing. I just got it because my craft store had it in stock and I just wanted it the same day. With RC being a new hobby to me, I did not know that you can just change the gears in your transmission, so I bought this whole package, and as you can see, it was pretty pricey. So if you want to go low geared, you could always just change the gears instead. So this thing was working really great, and then I was ripping through all this thick mud and everything, and it was lots of fun, and then all of a sudden my drive shaft snapped. So I'm just changing the drive shafts right now. I believe you got to take these 4 screws out, and I already took the battery case out. 2 screws there, and then the 4 on the motor, and then it should just pull directly up, and then they should pop out. Then I'll have to take the screws out at the bottom on each side. Drive shaft is installed. It's time to take it outside and give it a go. this is actually a new section. This is all rock, and then it goes here. I made a little hill, a little bridge here, which is pretty hard when it's snowy like this. The RC actually did really well, and despite some things breaking, it is just a hobby at the end of the day, and there will be things I'll have to repair, so I'll probably be doing some more metal upgrades here, but overall it did pretty good.